Hi guys, we're going to talk about how to make your 3-day. So once you've made your webinar, once you've made your workshop, now comes the time of making your 3-day. And this video is about a step-by-step way to make your 3-day in action. Now what we'll cover 10 things: framework of 3-day, naming a 3-day, asset collection, start putting out on 3-day template, slide creation, animation on slides, mic check, after 3-day doc, practicing solo and then practicing with team, community and coach. Let's start with framework of 3-day. Now we have made a separate video in which I'm on a stage and I'm speaking about how to make your 3-day, the whole framework of that, and a separate video is shared with all the details. Now come out naming a 3-day. Now for that you're going to use product naming system. You already know how to use this. It's Excel sheet. We have already given access to you. You have seen in webinar and workshop as well. Use the same and create a product name for your 3-day. Once that is done, you need to do your asset collection. You need your intro, you need photos, you need testimonials, you need proofs, you need content. All these things you need to collect on a Google Drive folder. Why? Because once you start making your 3-day slides, you need everything at one place. So they can just take all of them step by step and just put that on the slide so that you can make it. Now once that is done, we come to 3-day template. Now we have already shared this with you, the 3-day template. You will have a separate video in which we have told about how to put the 3-day template in place. So basically use the slides, start putting out things on them, and your 3-day would be ready. Slide creation. So you need to have one slide at a time. You need to build all slides at one sitting. Do not think that I can, create slides in next 7 days and enough time. No. Collect all the assets, sit for one day, have the goal of making a 3-day. That's it. For the whole day, just have one goal. Today, I will make my 3-day done. And to do that, you'll have all the slide templates, you'll have the assets as placed, you'll have all the resources with you. So put on slides and get all of them. So to make the content possible, what you need to do is you need to take your high ticket product. Now, as per our philosophy, I've told you how to make the high ticket offer and the high ticket product. Basically, on the trailer, you have a current situation and a desired situation. You create a line over here, and then you have multiple weeks or months, and in those months you have divide them into multiple sections. This is the philosophy that we have used to make our high ticket product and the high ticket offer. What you need to do is you need to think that if I am selling this high ticket offer at 5 to 10,000 rupees, right? 5 to 10,000 rupees, what content should I put over here? Right? From this content only. Do not create any new content. From this content, what content should I put over here? That is having two categories. Number one, it can be taught live. A lot of content cannot be taught live. For example, how to build a sales team. It's very hard to teach live because you can't take interviews live, you can't do all of that. Some parts you can, but not the whole process. So number one criteria should be that the content you have over here can be taught live, and number two criteria should be it should have mind blow moments. That means each content piece should have a mind blow moment. If that is possible, then you take your high ticket product and create 5 to 10,000 rupees type course, enough value, and from that you create the content. It should be live and it should be giving a mind blow. If that is done, your content will be ready for 3-day, distributed accordingly as per the framework that we have taught in the stage video. I am teaching 3-day. As per that framework, put on the slides and you're good to go. Now animation on slides, apply the effects, apply the transitions, check if all of them are working fine, get your logo sorted, get the mockups done, put the photos and everything on place. And the reason we need to focus on these logo, mockups, photos, everything is because this affects your branding. All these small things in your PPT lead to a higher conversion rate. And to have more conversion rate, do not miss any element. Now mic check, start with a toner USB mic. Again, go on Amazon, we have already taught you this. And then later switch to a Blue Yeti mic. Record yourself speaking in the mic and then check quality. So basically open Zoom, speak in the mic, pause the recording, watch the recording, and if it has come correctly, that means your mic is perfect. And after 3-day doc, make a doc which has all the notes, all the things you promised. If multiple, make a Google Drive folder. So make a folder, maybe you are giving some ChatGPT prompts, so make a file with only prompts. So make a doc with all the things, or make a folder with all the things, and you're good to go from there. This is the doc that you can share easily with anyone, and that's why it would be faster to share access with people. Practice. Now practice makes a man perfect, and repetition is the mother of all skills. Any skill in the world, the more you repeat, the better you become at it. That's why repetition is the mother of all skills. So first practice solo, then practice with your team member if you have some. You might be having your EA by now. Then practice with the community member. Now homework. You need to have 5 homework. Number 1, collect all the assets, edit the template and prepare the 3-day. Practice at least 3 times, order the mic, make the after 3-day doc, and only launch the 3-day once the webinar and workshop is mastered. Do not do before that or else you will fail. As simple as that.
And I hope this was crazy to you and you were mind blown with this whole picture. What I want you to do is comment down what strategy you're going to use, what parts of this video you're going to use, share this with a friend, and lastly, click on the subscribe button because more value like this is coming your way and you don't want to miss it out.